RRLF Rajaram Mohan Roy Library Foundation Nature Central Autonomous Organization financed by Ministry of Culture Government of India registered under West Bengal Societies Registration Act 1961. Role Nodal Agency of Government of India for supporting public library services and systems and promoting the public library movement in India. Supreme Policy Making Body, the Foundation members 22. Members are nominated by the Government of India from eminent educationists, librarians, administrators, senior officials. Chairman, Ministry of Department of Culture, Government of India or his nominee. Present Chairman Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Executive Head Professor Ajay Pratap Singh, Director General. DG is also the ex officio member secretary of the foundation. State level machinery triple RLF works with state governments and UT administrations through State Library Planning Committee, SLC, set up in each state at the instance of RRLF. To participate in RRLF programs, the state government UT must contribute an amount fixed by the foundation. District Youth Resource Center initiative started by RRLF in 2005-6 developed in collaboration with Nehru Yuvak Kendra Sangathan. Is NYKS Nehru Yuvak Kendra Sangathan is an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Most important one-liners: RRLF is a central autonomous organization. It is fully financed by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. RRLF was registered under the West Bengal Societies Registration Act 1961. The foundation is the supreme policy making body. The foundation has 22 members. The chairman is the Minister of Culture or his nominee. Present Chairman Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. DG Professor Ajay Pratap Singh. DG is ex officio member secretary of the foundation. State level machinery SLPC SLC. DYRC initiative 2005-6. DYRC collaboration Nehru Yuvak Kendra Sangathan NYKS. RRLF history 1972 exam point of view. 1972 is a landmark year in the Indian library movement. Remember these four key connections. Why was 1972 significant? Silver Jubilee of Indian independence. India completed 25 years of independence. Bicentenary of Rajaram Mohan Roy. 200th birth anniversary of Rajaram Mohan Roy. He was a pioneer social reformer. He emphasized modern education for national progress. International Book Year 1972 was celebrated as International Book Year. Slogan Books for All. Emphasis was placed on developing reading habits among the masses. Establishment of RRLF Rajaram Mohan Roy Library Foundation was established in May 1972. Established by the Department of Culture, Government of India. Main purpose to spread library services throughout India. It worked in cooperation with state governments, union territory administrations, organizations working in the library field. 1972, 25 plus 200 plus books plus triple RLF इस्टेब्लिश मई 1972 में होता है इस बाय डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कल्चर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. इंटरनेशनल बुक ईयर यस और इंटरनेशनल बुक ईयर स्लोगन बुक्स फॉर ऑल नेम्ड आफ्टर राजा राम मोहन रॉय. 3 roles and 7 objectives कौन से हैं? 3 main roles promotional, advisory, कंसल्टेंसी एंड फंडिंग बॉडी. प्रमोशनल एजेंसी देश में लाइब्रेरी मूवमेंट को प्रमोट करना. एडवाइजरी एंड कंसल्ट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइब्रेरी डेवलपमेंट से जुड़े मामलों में एडवाइस कंसल्ट्री देना. फंडिंग बॉडी पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी डेवलपमेंट के लिए फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस देना. इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स promote library movement throughout the country, इनिशिएट नेशनल लाइब्रेरी पॉलिसी एंड नेशनल लाइब्रेरी सिस्टम बनाने में सहायता करना. लाइब्रेरीज को फाइनेंशियल टेक्निकल असिस्टेंस प्रदान करना. लाइब्रेरी डेवलपमेंट को प्रमोट करने वाली रीजनल नेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस देना. अप्रोप्रिएट लिटरेचर पब्लिश करना. लाइब्रेरी डेवलपमेंट से संबंधित आइडियाज़ एंड इंफॉर्मेशन का क्लियरिंग हाउस बनना. लाइब्रेरी डेवलपमेंट की समस्याओं पर रिसर्च को प्रमोट करना. देश में लाइब्रेरी डेवलपमेंट से संबंधित सभी मैटर्स पर गवर्नमेंट को एडवाइज करना. सुपरफास्ट मेमोरी ट्रिक PNFOLRG. P promote library movement and national library policy. F financial technical assistance to library. O organizations को financial assistance. L literature plus cleaning house. R research promotion. G government advice. केवल फंडिंग एजेंसी नहीं है यह प्रमोशनल, एडवाइजरी, कंसल्टेंसी प्लस फंडिंग तीनों रोल्स निभाता है. बेसिक आइडेंटिटी. राजा राम मोहन रॉय लाइब्रेरी फाउंडेशन मई 1972 में इस्टेब्लिश होता है. फुल्ली फाइनेंस्ड ऑटोनोमस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के अंडर आती है. मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव पता ही दिए. स्कीम्स क्या है? मैचिंग स्कीम्स प्लस नॉन मैचिंग स्कीम्स. ऑनलाइन पोर्टल, वेब बेस्ड इंटीग्रेटेड ऑफिस ऑटोमेशन, सॉफ्टवेयर ऑन क्लाउड. Main purpose is facilitates online handling of triple RLF scheme related work including application, recommendation, authorization, processing, sanction, fund accounting, monitoring, settlement. Important portal functions: online submission of application, recommendation of application, authorization, processing, sanctioning, fund accounting, monitoring application status, settlement, MIS reporting, electronic receipt of e-forms, printing of submitted application, status updates by state duties, status tracking by users, query services, payment information. Officials monitor, officials can monitor proposals, check application status, approve proposals, work through the cloud-based system. Why the portal? Remember, e-portal efficiency, transparency, ease to work. Triple RLF was established in 1972. Triple RLF functions under Ministry of Culture. Triple RLF was established in May 1972. Schemes include matching, non-matching, matching and non-matching. Online portal, essentially web-based integrated office automation software on cloud.